Swim and Children's Hospital, making history in an unprecedented cable television event. The season finale of Children's Hospital goes live. No edits, no retakes, and no safety net. Anything can happen. The season finale of Children's Hospital, live Sunday at midnight on Adult Swim.